Well, as of May 9th, if you're a PlayStation 5 owner, good news. Your Star Wars Jedi Survivor patch has arrived. Let's go take a look at it. It's going to be a quick video. But let's take a look at the patch notes for this. Now, this is via Push Square. The latest Star Wars Jedi Survivor patch on the PS5 is available to download now. And, well, let's see what we get with this patch. For PS5 only, at least at the time of this video, because this was released this morning, at least this information that I found. Fixed an HDR value mismatch that would cause HDR setups to display incorrectly for PS5 users. I'll be honest, HDR is overrated. I always shut it off. I really don't like it. And for me, visually, it does not enhance anything. I feel like it actually ruins like color saturation and things of that nature. But hey, if you want to play in a high dynamic range setting, have at it, Hoss. Fixed various save state errors. Well, that's a big one. Fixed a streaming issue that causes some streaming scenarios to end on a black screen. Fixed an issue where one of the vents did not properly activate in Stone Spires. Audio fix for a narrative moment where music was behaving incorrectly. Like, these sound like such trivial little things that should have had already been fixed. The HDR, though, and the save states is a big one. Fixed lightsaber marks not displaying correctly in some scenarios. Scenario where the player could enter a progression blocked state in the Lukrahawk. Oh man, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry. Don't shoot the messenger, you know. Fixed an elevator to prevent the player from falling through it and entering a progression blocked state. Oof. Yeah, you're clipping through walls, man. I mean, these things are huge. You know, that reminds me of. This game reminds me of the alpha build that we have of Star Citizen. I'll still fall through planets in Star Citizen, but Star Citizen is a topic for a whole other situation. A game that's been in development for 10 years and will never come out and see it in fruition. But I digress. Fixed a bug where Ravis would become unbeatable. Oh, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. Makes you imagine how many times people were playing against this guy and were like, what's going on here? For hours. I'm sure some people got stuck on that situation. Fix a severe animation issue that would break a late game narrative sequence. Fix a collision bug where players can get stuck inside a meditation chamber. Oh, man. Oh, the fury. Oh, the fury with that one. Added a note explaining that some of BD1's abilities are not available while in combat. Improved text scrolling, minor text translation fixes, various crash fixes. This seems like a significant patch. And I really hope that people have still been able to enjoy the game regardless of these issues. But again, this is patch notes for PS5. Xbox, I don't know. I don't know what's happening with Xbox. I don't know what's happening to PC. But I imagine that if they're releasing patch notes like this, that you should be okay. You know, I'm sure it's going to be released across the board. But who knows? We shall see. Let me know what you guys think. How has your gameplay experience been with Star Wars Jedi Survivor, with and without the patches? PS5, Xbox, PC. I'm curious if you've ran into a lot of bugs, or has it been simple for you guys to play? I hear a lot of different things, so let me know down in the comments. Appreciate you guys. That's some news. I'll talk to you soon.